So this is gonna be day 2. Hold this, baby. This is gonna be day 2 of our trip. Let's see what kind of things we could do today. Got the beautiful Stacy over there. She looks so cute wearing her cold weather gear. Here's the beautiful place, beautiful mountains, really, really gorgeous. Little Manny is crying because he doesn't want to wear a jacket, but it is cold, so he has to wear one. So let's get in the car and let's go and do something fun today. So I just used this parking lot right here. You have to pay $15 to park your car. And look at all the coins that he gave me. I put a 20 and he gave me a bunch of dollar bills. Oh, not dollar bills, dollar coins. Very, very cool. Thank you.
Grand total trip time is going to be about 10 minutes. I make this trip 42 times a day, and I have yet to lose a single person. We hope you guys enjoy the trip.
Wow, look at that.
No, it's real. It's cold.
It's not real snow, dude. It's fake. Okay, we're doing the, what is this called again? The coaster mountain?
Yeah.
You guys can probably see it up there. And it goes all around the mountain. Here we go. We got tickets already. Look at this. Right there.
Check the other one too.
Stay at least 80 feet behind the
Do you have
car.
any questions?
What?
Do you have any questions?
Always look
Give it
down
two
the
thumbs
track
up so
and
that you're ready.
look
Give it a go. Push your
Coming
arm.
into the final turn.
All right, here we go. Man, I thought it was gonna be too fat. They have like a 300 pound, knowing that I weigh in the 270s, you know, high 270, and then all my clothes, I thought I wasn't gonna make it. Here we go. I guess brakes is forward and then back is like go, I think. I don't know. We're gonna give it a try now. I should have been paying attention. Okay, this is going forward. I essentially put my GoPro here in my jacket and I hopefully it works. Here we are. Just gorgeous place. Look at this. Really, really gorgeous. Okay, so all right, so forward it's fast and backward. Oh man, this thing is going fast. All right. Woo. This thing is going really fast. Oh gosh. If you know me, you probably know I don't like roller coasters. Okay. Oh Lord. Okay, way too fast. Hopefully I don't lose my GoPro in this game. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to be brave here. Oh! Oh man. Oh man, Jesus, help me. Here I am thinking I was gonna hold the GoPro. Oh man. Sage is laughing at me. Oh god. Oh my god.
You recorded it?
Alright, now you gotta let go, unhook your seatbelt, step off your left.
Oh gosh. That was too much.
Oh, come on, Pops. You have to go again. You have to.
No, that wasn't fun at all. I don't know.
Didn't you say that the tickets last for like, come on, guys, 2 days? Your eyes are so dry. Were you
You
crying?
have fun? No, man. Okay, we just finished this. I just want to show you how it looks real quick. So essentially, this moves forward, and you're gonna go faster. If you move it back, it goes slower. But just keep in mind that there's a weight limit of 300. When you're scared?
You weren't even like near me. I
Yeah,
wasn't
you were.
scared.
You were scared.
I love
Faving,
that.
Faving is the adventure one right here. What's up, buddy?
This guy.
Pops, did you see your buddy like this?
Look at the snow right here.
It's not done. Snow tubing opens in November 20th.
Oh, so you go through that? Yeah, baby, it's not open.
We're gonna go out.
Ooh, cool hat.
We're gonna go.
This is pretty cool.
Take this one.
What? Oh, this is cool. This one. This one's really cool. How do I look? What are you laughing at? Okay, put this back. Look like an idiot. This is cool.
This is for your car.
Nelson will probably like this. Guess have you used this one?
Oh, voodoo doll. Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. Right here. Which one is this?
Good, look. Soon I'm gonna use this one too. Oh, this is pretty. Purple heart. Don't throw it on me. That's pretty cool too.
Come here, Bubby.
Little ice skating place. I guess that's what pulled the cable, right?